Hi everyone, my name's Juliet and today I'm going to talk about getting your draft Kindle Mobi file onto your device so that you can use it for editing and proofreading. You probably already know that you can send an ebook to your Kindle device via a specific email address that they give you. But that's not usually a quick process. And if you're doing editing or proofreading, you need a quicker solution than that. And your quicker solution is this, a USB cable. Let's see what this looks like in Explorer. This is my Kindle Fire. Now, when you're transferring files onto your Kindle Fire, you're not putting them into the ecosystem, which is what you use the email address for. You're simply just transferring the file across. So it doesn't appear in the normal books access on the top of your screen. It actually appears in the Documents section of your Kindle Fire. Now when you open it up, you might actually find that there is a books folder there. If not, you can just create one as you would any other folder when you're in Explorer. And then it's just a simple case of dragging your file into that books folder, opening up your device, going into Documents, Books, and there you'll see your file. Now let's take a look at a basic original Kindle. Same process, connect it up with the USB cable, and what you'll see is a Documents folder. Drag your file into the Documents folder and it will appear in the list of documents that you have available to read. Quick note here, you'll see that I haven't put the metadata into this file and therefore it just comes up as Fiction Template, which is the name of the document. And finally, for those who don't have a Kindle device, there's the Kindle app. It works in exactly the same way. Connect up your device with the USB cable, and what you're looking for this time is just a folder that says Kindle. Depending on how many apps you have downloaded onto your device, it might take a bit of scrolling. Drag your file across just into that top level Kindle folder, and when you go onto your device, you'll see it there as a new document. Once you've finished using your document for your proofreading and editing, you can just delete it as you would normally. However, when you delete a document that you've side-loaded like this, it will delete it completely because, as we've already said, it isn't in the ecosystem of your Kindle account. If you want more tips and tricks specifically related to ebooks, check out this playlist. I'll see you there. Thank you for watching.